Hello, Crystal. How you doing? This is Manny with the video I promised you. So let's get right into it. When you Google commercial cleaning service, oops. So I already did it. Try to save some time. I did everything, but let's say you pull out your phone or your computer and you Google commercial cleaning in New Brunswick, New Jersey. So these are ads. These first three right here are ads. This is your map pack. This is another ad, and here would be your competition. Here's your first three right here. And they're only in the map pack. I don't seem to find them here somewhere. So they're what you call low-hanging fruit. But if you look at the websites, so like this website, this is their website. They got some content, not a whole lot of content. So easy to beat. So and then they have the service page, and they only have one service. It's right away. Here you see more content, but again, easy to beat. So you go to the next one, diamond cleaning. This website, again, same thing, easy to beat. This homepage is just a picture. This is not. I don't consider this a website. This to me is more like a advertisement or billboard. You can call it. See the service, one page tells what he does. Easy to beat. So we go back. Why aren't you going back? I'm trying to show you something. Yep. So then you got Allstate Cleaning Service. Go to the website. This right here, this is Google Ads. This is not even a website. If you Google my business, you're going to get the exact same thing as this, right? So you're going to get the exact same thing. So anytime you see words like this, either purple or pink, sometimes they're pink, but they're like, this is Google did this. You create this on your Google My Business, and basically, it's not a website. It looks like a website, but what it is just a Google My Business expanded. See how you got the hours and everything? You'll see the same information on the Google My Business account. And all it is it's called, I think, a postcard. It's called like a postcard. They're paying for that. It expires in a few days. They won't be there. Forget about them. So then I Googled commercial cleaning in East Brunswick, New Jersey, which is your other competition. These are all ads. So when you go to here, this would be the top. This is your top one right here. He has a nice website, as you can see. So he's got the pictures. You got a lot of words. See, a lot of content. I'm sure he's targeting keywords. I haven't really looked into the what keywords he's being found for, but that's what we need to target is keywords. So as you see, he has our service is a non-clickable, and then he's got all his service. So you got doc, which I didn't want to go to it, but since we're here, let's take a look. So he's got a picture of a doctor's office. See, a lot of content, and he's got the contact box. This contact box, it's on all his services. As you can see, go to hospital, picture of a hospital, a lot of writing, right? So you got one picture of a hospital, clean, a lot of writing, and then there's the contact. This contact contact box. So this is a well-built website. He would be a little harder to beat, but he's still beatable because he's a low-hanging fruit. He's here. Actually, he's paying for the ad. That's an ad. So he's not. He might either be new or something is wrong. But it's a nice website. I think it's just that he's new to the also a new website like ours. So he's somebody that we'd be going after. Here's another one, Express Cleaning. Let's see what they see. They got so their homepage but see, their homepage is mostly pictures, not a lot of content. And even though these are nice pictures and all, it may look like a pretty website, but to Google, content is key. Keywords, a lot of words. Google loves to read, so the more content, the more you could outrank him. Pictures to help, but content is key. And then he's got, instead of like this right here, residential, commercial, he could have put that on a like underneath a service non-clickable, and it would have been nicer than have all his things lined up like that. It's kind of looked too long. But this is a nice website, yeah, and that's why he's there. He's got a nice website, his ranking, but again, not enough content, so we'd be able to beat him. So so I go to yours. The only way to find you is to put Two Green Cleaning. If you look up cleaning companies around here, you're not going to find. You go to Two Green Cleaning, and so we click on your website. First of all, I noticed up here, there's nothing, as you can see. Like here, you got commercial cleaning. You got, look, like in mine, look, you got SEO and Rawway, Google. These are all things that I'll show you in a minute when I get to my website. But see, you have nothing up here. This right here could have said keywords that will target what people are searching for. Very important right here that we fill that in. But this is your website, and as we look, you got a nice picture. You got your this is like a post, like a bull, a builder also. See, it's like just a one page, not enough content. It just says give us a chance, a few words, big page, top green, there's your logo. And then you click on, so you got your gallery, and you got items, your booking information, and about us. About us is where you talk about what you do, but you don't have your services listed. Actually, you have them right here. So you got commercial cleaning, but look, you can't, so you got move-in cleaning, move-out cleaning. So these are all your services, but it'd be not, you create a page. So if we create a page, talk about all these services that you do, it'll help rank, and the targeting those keywords, like keywords that target like moving, like movers, anything about moving out in New Jersey, spring cleaning of New Jersey, of East Brunswick, New Jersey, or a one-time cleaning in New Brunswick, like those keywords is what's going to rank the website. Right now, it's just there's not enough pages for a website, and not enough content. So I would make this website. This website needs to be made bigger. And then the important thing is to on Google, like here you see. So when I hit commercial cleaning service, Union County, New Jersey, this is what SEO is all about. It's about getting you in that pack right here. And that's where I am, see? So I'm like, this one is an ad. So reality right now, he's number one. Yesterday I was number one. So it's kind of like I'm kind of competing with this guy back and forth. We go back and forth. But let's take a look at his. His is temporarily down right now. So his website, I guess he's probably realizing that he's competing with me. Looks like they're working on their website, and I took it out. So we'll just go to my website then. So going to mine, you see, so up here, when you click up here, so you got office cleaning, if you read all the things, office cleaning New Jersey, so I could be found for office cleaning New Jersey, house cleaning New Jersey, rug cleaning New Jersey, and then you have the name, the professional clean. So I could be found for any one of those words, and that's what you want. You want to put some keywords up here that'll help people find what you're searching for. Another thing is, this is mobile friendly. So here's my home page, right? See, I got pictures, but a lot of content. See? And I have a contact box. And all my pages have a contact box. So I don't know if you had a chance to look at my website, the when I sent you the link. But so you go to commercial. This is all about the commercial. So this commercial cleaning. This is all explaining what we do in commercial, everything that we do with commercial cleaning. And there's your contact box again. So people read about commercial, they need a commercial cleaning, they have a choice. They can either fill out this box and then hit submit. And when they submit it, they automatically receive a thank you page thanking them for their business, and somebody will be getting in touch with you shortly. Or for faster, they could just click on a number. And as you can see, everywhere that I have that phone number, Look, here's ceilings, floors, and walls, right? So you got hardwood floors. I talk about hardwood floors, hitting keywords, more pictures. Then I concentrate on ceilings and walls, hitting keywords. And then windows, hitting keywords. And again, there's the contact page. So you're interested, you fill out this contact box, you hit submit, and I get an email alerting me, and then I get back to you shortly. Or for fast service, you just click that and automatically the phone starts ringing. Every single page. You also have a contact page. See my contact page? It has contact us for a thorough cleaning and sanitizing, has the name, it has my email, so you can send through email, has the phone number and the area that we cover, which is Union County. But we also cover other areas too, as you can see. But and there it is. See the phone number? It's a clickable. See? So you go there, you just click. If you're on your mobile phone, you would just click on that and it would start ringing. So you don't even have to dial the number. And that's what you want. And this is a mobile friendly website. So you can pull out your cell phone, Google, I need a cleaning company near me. If you're in the area, this is the one that's going to pop up. So, but one thing I do want, and the reason why we're not getting, I want to show you real quick. Let me go back. Sorry. Oh, I went back too far. One of the things I do want to show you quick is even mine is a low hanging fruit because as you can see, I'm here, but I'm not being found inside. But you want a good website that's with a good SEO. You want to be found, which is why I'm still working on my SEO. Is you want to be found in the map pack and on as many times as you can on the first page. That's what's important. Look, I'll show you my SEO. So again, so if you look up web designer or SEO in Rahway, I'm number one, and you click on it, right? Again, so you got multiple. See, tri-state area SEO, Rahway, New Jersey SEO, New Jersey SEO and web design, and my name. So I could be found for any one of those choices. Going back to here, see, so I'm number one on the map right now, but I'm also number two inside the body. That's me. See, tri-state area SEO, Rahway, New Jersey. There's my name, Manny's SEO, and I'm also being found number 6. And if you scroll down, these are all ads, and then the ads come into play. But I'm probably on the I'm also probably on the second page too. I was also like number 10, but I think those ads came into play, so they kind of bumped me a little bit to the side. But these are ads; they're temporary. Ads are temporary as long as you pay Google, they advertise. But once you're done, once it expires, unless you repay again, they boom, you get booted out. SEO ranking is organically, so it's like an organic. So even when you're not paying, it's there for a while because it's organic. So with that, as you can see, the differences between the one more thing I want to show you. I threw my website inside my tool here. As you can see, I got 15 citations. I still got to build my trust flow, but I'm being found, and these are the keywords that are helping me find. I got these. I got some backlinks. See, the traffic is starting to move. See the arrows starting to move as of from August. I started in May, so as you can see, there was nothing. So you see, it takes about like 2 months. See, I started in May, and now in August, you're seeing me jump, and it's starting to trust. And that's what's so. It takes some time to build, but once you start ranking, the phones will start ringing. So if with that, I'd like to, if you give me a call or we'll set up a meeting. I can come down in person. We can sit down in person, have a discussion. Maybe you could make your own website. I'm not sure. Maybe just either try to rebuild that one or just go with all together with a whole new website and the SEO part of it, which is very important. It's important to register at Google My Business, and and then once you start ranking, and then plus you can still take from my lead gen, you'll be able to rank. I plan to get you so busy that you're gonna have to hire more people real soon. So with that, I'll talk to you soon. Any questions? You have my number. Give me a call, and I'll be following you up in a couple of days. Thanks, Doc. Bye.